In a small, bright kitchen, a little girl loved to spend her time with tiny pots, plates, and spoons. She cooked after school and imagined she was making food for the whole world. Sometimes she laughed, and sometimes she felt tired, because things did not turn out right one day. Her cake broke and she felt like giving up. She sat quietly and felt sad. Then she remembered her mother, saying mistakes help us learn. She stood up, cleaned the table, and tried again very slowly this time. She cooked with a calm heart. The food was simple but full of warmth. When her family ate it, they smiled and felt relaxed. The kitchen felt peaceful. Kids learned that trying again is important, and adults remembered that hope can start from small, kind efforts made with love. That little kitchen became her safe place. Every day it taught patience, courage, and kindness. Hope grew quietly there, one small meal at a time.